On behalf of the Secretary of State of the District of Columbia, it is my sincere pleasure to present to you a proclamation from Mayor Muriel Bowser. And the proclamation is to declare June 30th, 2025 as Congolese American Day. And I'll read the proclamation to you now. Whereas on June 30th each year, the Democratic Republic of Congo marks the anniversary of attaining its independence in 1960, and whereas contributions by people of Congolese descent to the armed forces, community service, education, entrepreneurship, healthcare, music, arts, and other fields greatly enhance the culture and economy of the District of Columbia and the world. And whereas Congolese rumba music has gained global popularity for its rhythms, melodies, and lyrics, and is recognized by the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, as a part of humanity's intangible cultural heritage. And whereas DC's new initiative for civic engagement, NICE for short, advances Congolese culture, fosters economic inclusion, and provides pathways to American citizenship in partnership with the Mayor's Office on African Affairs. Now, therefore, I, the Mayor of Washington, D.C., do hereby proclaim June 30th, 2025 as Congolese American Day in Washington, D.C.